Atta girl. Yeah, that's hard, huh? There you go. Good job. Hey, Nero, look up here for a second. Say, Daddy, I'm skiing.
I'm skiing. This is a good snow maker.
Yeah, this is pretty lumpy stuff because the cars have been driving over it.
Yeah. It's not very good.
You're doing a great job. Look at you go. You want to keep going, or are you all done?
I'm skiing.
Rogan, that's enough.
Look, I got.
Sure.
Can you get me up? Rogan's my friend.
Yeah. So what did we do today?
We did ski,
Yeah.
and I fell over on the sled all day.
Yeah, a few times. You were very brave, though.